Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sora. So today we will unbox I think it is 4th grade books from Byju. I have just received 4th grade of Byju and I completed 3rd grade too, but I didn't make any videos of 3rd because then I don't start my channel. So today I am going to unbox 4th grade Byju's books. So let's get started, guys. So I have unboxed it. Let's open it. So we see these things. First is maths. It is math most important concept in math. Learn and practice. So we get grade 4 and there's 4 books of, we got I think 4 books of math and we got 4 books on science. So let me open these. First I will open my favorite subject, science. Now got 5 books of science and I think and 4 books of math. Wow, their outer cover are good. Its quality is very good, and that's so. First we can see of science. So we have to write our name in it. Topic name is, this is the topic you are about to learn.
बोलो.
See guys, we got some stickers of, these are stars and these are like, this is, I don't know, it is beers, and these are pencils, this is beers, and this is I think white. Just we will open the book of math. So it is also same, we have to just write our name in it. And let's see. These are content what you have to study, like this is what are numbers, number line, place and unit, expanded form, carry over, borrowing, factors, highest common factor, multiply.
हो गया.
Let's see. And these are like this. There's exercise 2 and it's the stickers. See guys, this some stickers. Okay, so Star Wars and this and there's a color. And guys, I'm very happy to got these books and this quality is very good. I love these books. Thank you Byju, this quality is very good. So please subscribe my channel and share it and like it. Bye. So now I am going to study Byju's. Bye.